Hello friends, my name is CA Tarun Gupta and today we are going to discuss about a press release issued by Ministry of Finance, Government of India on 1st May 2021. Through this press release, the Government of India has extended certain income tax compliance dates for the sake of the taxpayers. Through this press release, the Government of India has extended the date of filing belated return and revised return for the financial year 2019-2020 from 31st March 2021 to 31st May 2021. Through this extension, many assessees who failed to file their income tax return for the financial year 2019-2020 can now file their returns up till 31st May 2021. In our income tax, there are various due dates provided for filing of income tax return. But if an assessee could not file his return before the due date, then he has the option to file the return as a belated return before the end of the assessment year or before the assessment of the return. So, for the financial year 2019-2020, an assessee could have filed his return before 31st March 2021 if not filed by the due date. There are certain restrictions and conditions of filing belated return, like a taxpayer has to pay an interest at the rate of 1% per month from the due date of filing return till the date he has filed return if it's a belated return. Apart from it, he has also to pay a penalty of ₹1,000 if the total income is less than 5 lakhs or a penalty of ₹10,000 if the total income is more than 5 lakh rupees. Apart from it, an assessee cannot carry forward his business losses or capital gain losses if he or she is filing his return as a belated return. Now the government has given an opportunity to the taxpayers to file their return for the financial year 1920 till 31st May 2021 if they have not filed their return till yet. What is the benefit to the taxpayers? Suppose a taxpayer has an income tax refund but he could not claim it just because he has not filed the return. So now he has got an opportunity to file the return and claim the income tax refund. Apart from this, if a taxpayer has filed his return but he could not verify the same and hence the return has become invalid, now he has got an opportunity to file his return again. Similarly, the date for filing the revised return has also been extended from 31st March 2021 to 31st May 2021. Let us understand what is a revised return. Suppose an assessee has filed his return but after filing the return he observes that there is a false information has been given or certain information has been missed in his return. So he has an option to revise his return by providing the acknowledgement number of the original return. Since the last day to file the revised return for the financial year 2019-2020 was 31st March 2021, so an assessee could not have revised the return after that date. But now Government of India has extended that date also. So if there is an assessee who has filed his return but observes that there are certain mistakes, there are certain errors in return, he can now rectify his return and revise the return before 31st May 2021. I hope that you have understood what we have explained in this video. If you have liked this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. If you want regular updates of taxation and other financial matters, you can subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.